What's going on, guys? It's Barry from the YANMAR Academy. Today we're going to revisit changing the tooth on a bucket. Had a customer ask, how do you change the center tooth? We're going to show you. All right, so just like the last video, we're going to need a punch, we're going to need a hammer. Same thing, we're going to put it right down here, kind of lean it against this tooth. All right, so once we get it almost all the way out like this, I'm going to go ahead and grab a pair of vice grips, go ahead and clamp it down on it. Once again, grab our hammer and just tap it out. Tooth off. All right, now that we've got it off, we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. I'm not gonna lie, this part ain't easy, but it sure beats taking these other two teeth off and having to replace the bushings. Now that we've got the pin started, in order to do this, what you wanna do is kind of compress the end of it as it goes into the tooth and the adapter. And then what you wanna do is just take your hammer and just kind of tap it as it goes in. All right, there you have it, guys. Jill, I hope this answers your question. And if anybody out there has suggestions for future videos, just go ahead and leave a message on our YouTube page. Until next time, I'll see you at the YANMAR Academy.